Hello class 10th. We were studying the first chapter of your chemistry book, chemical reactions and chemical equation, in which you are studying types of chemical reaction. You have already studied combination reaction, decomposition reaction. In my last video I explained you about displacement reaction. Now the next type of reaction we have is double displacement reaction. Now what are double displacement reaction? So as I go for the simple definition, the reaction in which there is a mutual exchange of ions between the reactants are called the double displacement reaction. Now for example, we are having two compounds AB and CD, where A and C are the ions. Now if these two ions mutually displaces each other, that means C goes to the place of A and A reaches to the place of C. They will form the new compounds as CB, as C replaces the A, and AD, A replaces the C. So these type of reaction in which the ions mutually replaces each other are called the double displacement reaction. Okay, in the last video that was a single displacement reaction because a compound was reacting with a single element. An element according to the reactivity replaces or may not be replaces the element. But if we have two compounds and each part of the compound replaces mutual displacement is there, that is called a double displacement reaction. सिंपल शब्दों में अगर मैं तुम्हें बोलना चाहूँ तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप एक सीट पर बैठे हैं जो कि फर्स्ट बेंच पर बैठे हैं, आपका फ्रेंड है सेकंड बेंच पर बैठा है, ठीक है, अब दोनों के साथ आपके फ्रेंड्स बैठे हैं. नाउ यू डू नॉट वांट टू सिट ऑन द फर्स्ट बेंच एंड योर फ्रेंड डज नॉट वांट टू सिट ऑन द सेकंड बेंच. सो व्हाट यू डिड, तुमने उसको बोला कि तू मेरी सीट पर आ जाओ और मैं तेरी सीट पर चला जाता हूँ, ठीक है. तो नाउ व्हाट हैज हैपन, you goes to the second seat and your friend comes to first seat. So what you have done, basically you mutually displace your positions, है ना. आपने एक दूसरे के साथ अपनी सीट एक्सचेंज कर ली, म्यूचुअल एक्सचेंज, है ना. तो दिस इज डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट, यानी यू गॉट डिस्प्लेस्ड बाय योर पोजीशन एंड योर फ्रेंड आल्सो गॉट डिस्प्लेस्ड बाय हिज पोजीशन. सो सेम हैपेंस इन द केस ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन. एक आयन जो है वो दूसरे आयन को रिप्लेस करेगा और उसकी जगह पे चला जाएगा, और जो सेकंड आयन था वो पहले आयन के फर्स्ट आयन की जगह पे आ जाए. दैट इज नोन एज डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. सो दिस इज द सिंपल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. नाउ व्हाट डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शंस कैन कॉमनली ऑब्जर्व्ड इन थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ रिएक्शन. फर्स्ट इज प्रेसिपिटेशन रिएक्शन, second is neutralization reaction, and third is gas forming double displacement reaction. Okay, so we'll start with the precipitation reaction. Now first of all you must know what is precipitate actually. When two compounds react with each other and you find a certain insoluble product, we'll say, at the bottom of the test tube in which you are performing the chemical experiment, that insoluble solid substance is known as precipitate. ठीक है. and the reactions in which an insoluble substance called precipitate is formed are called precipitation reaction. So first example for your double displacement reaction according to your NCERT book is given you through the activity of sodium sulfate and barium chloride reaction. Now for example, you are having sodium sulfate in the test tube and you slowly drops barium chloride into it. So what you will observe? You will observe that mixture, that solution of sodium sulfate slowly turns white, and a solid white precipitate is formed in that test tube. Okay? And what has happened? That white precipitate is actually barium sulfate and the aqueous solution is sodium chloride. So here what has happened? This sodium ion replaces the barium ion in barium chloride solution, and barium ion reaches to the position of sodium in sodium sulfate and hence form the barium sulfate and sodium chloride respectively. Okay, now this arrow here shows the precipitation formation. That means वो जो solid substance है वो bottom में settle हो चुका है. That white colors it's settled at the bottom. So that's why we are showing it with the arrow downwards. Okay, downwards arrow. ठीक है, तो दिस टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन, दिस इज अ डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन एज वेल एज अ प्रेसिपिटेशन रिएक्शन, because two ions, sodium ion and barium ion, mutually replacing each other, and a precipitate is forming at the product. Okay, one more example for this is lead nitrate when it reacts with potassium iodide. What will happen? Potassium is a positive ion and lead is also a positive ion. Here, what will happen? Potassium ion will replace the lead ion and lead ion will replace the potassium ion. When potassium comes here, you will get potassium nitrate. And when lead will react with iodine, you will get lead iodide. That lead iodide is actually a yellow precipitate. So this is again a double displacement reaction as well as a precipitation reaction. Okay, this lead nitrate, yellow color lead nitrate, is actually used for yellow pigmentation in paints. The wall paints you use yellow pigment in paint. Okay, now next are neutralization reaction. Double displacement reaction also occurs in neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction you will study in detail in the next chapter, acid, bases and salt. But here I am just giving you the definition and little introduction. What are neutralization? As the again name suggests, neutralize. Neutralize हो रही कोई भी चीजें. तो when a acid or base reacts, what happened? The H ion of acid or the OH and OH ion of base react with each other, combines and form water, and the positive ion and negative ion of acid and base reactively forms the salt. Okay, so here when an acid and base react to form salt and water, it is called neutralization, because जो acid और base है वो एक दूसरे को neutralize करके salt बनाते हैं. Common example है acid is HCl, hydrochloric acid, and you have taken NaOH, sodium hydroxide. This is a base, this is a acid. What will happen when these two will react? So H from here and OH from here, these two will combine to form H2O, and what has left? Na and Cl. These two will combine to form a NaCl salt. Okay, पॉजिटिव आयन एंड नेगेटिव आयन, जो आयनिक कंपाउंड यहाँ पर बन गया, ये कौन सा है? ये क्या है? सॉल्ट है. इसका एग्जाम्पल होता है बी स्टिंग. व्हाट हैज हैपेंड? बी स्टिंग जो एक्चुअली होता है, जो मधुमक्खी जिसको हम बोलते हैं, मधुमक्खी या कोई भी जो बी है वो आपको काट लेती है तो उसमें बहुत ज्यादा दर्द और स्वेलिंग आ जाता है. दैट इज बिकॉज जो बी होता है जब वो आपको कट करता है तो वो एक एसिड रिलीज करता है. ठीक है, तो बी स्टिंग इज बेसिकली एसिडिक इन नेचर. तो अगर आपको एक बी ने स्टिंग किया एंड यू पुट सोडा, नॉर्मल जो सोडा हम यूज करते हैं घर पे, अगर आप उसको सोडा से रब करेंगे उसी वक्त तो यू विल फील रिलीव, बिकॉज व्हाट विल हैपन इन दैट केस, जो एसिड रिलीज हुआ था बी स्टिंग से, इट विल बी न्यूट्रलाइज्ड बाय द सोडा, है ना, एंड यू विल फील रिलीव्ड. नाउ द थर्ड type of double displacement reactions are gas forming double displacement reaction. Some of the double displacement reaction shows that there is gas released at the product side, है ना. So if one of the product is at least gas, then those type of double displacement reaction are gas forming double displacement reaction. Example we are taking as Na2S, sodium sulfide plus reacting with HCl here, है ना. So what will happen? H will react with S, H will replace, and Na will combine with Cl. So what will happen? H2S gas will released, H2S gas will released, and NaCl salt is formed. So here the gas is releasing, that means it is a गैस फॉर्मिंग डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट तो हो ही रहा है, Na जो है वो H को रिप्लेस कर रहा है, H जो है वो Na को रिप्लेस कर रहा है. ओके ना. सो दिस इज गैस फॉर्मिंग डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन इन विच एटलीस्ट वन प्रोडक्ट, मतलब कम से कम एक प्रोडक्ट जो है दैट इज गैस. ठीक है. सो देयर आर सम मोर एग्जांपल ऑफ precipitation reaction, or you can simply say double displacement reaction. This is silver nitrate. When it reacts with potassium iodide, you will get a yellow PPT here is precipitate, short form में लिखा है, yellow precipitate of silver iodide and potassium nitrate is formed. Similarly, potassium iodide से अगर आप पोटेशियम ब्रोमाइड या पोटेशियम क्लोराइड के साथ रिएक्ट करवाते हैं सिल्वर नाइट्रेट को, तो यू विल गेट silver bromide and silver chloride respectively, and potassium nitrate as well. So this is all about the double displacement reaction, in which there is a exchange of ion, mutual exchange of ion is called double displacement reaction. Can be happened in three types, can be observed in three reactions. First is precipitation, second is neutralization, and third is gas forming reaction. I hope you understand well. Thank you.